Hello Primary 2, how are you today? Our lesson today is rounding and estimation. Rounding and estimation. What is the meaning of rounding? Rounding, find the number that is close to another number. I find the number but is close to another number. We have two ways to find rounding. The first way is mentally. The second way is following some steps. Following two steps. Mentally, if I have this number 62, any number between two tens. Like this, 62. The first number is 62. 62. Rounding. What is the rounding of it? Round 62. 62 between two tens. What are the two tens of 62? 60 and 70. 60 here and 70 here. 62 nearest what? 60 or 70? Yes, 60. Another example. 69. What is the round of 69? 69 between two tens. What are the two tens? 60 and 70. 69. Nearest 60 or 70? Yes, 70. Excellent, Primary 2. Another example. 53. 53 between two tens. What are the two tens? What are the tens? All tens. What are the tens? 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. These numbers are tens. Any number between two tens. Attention, Primary 2. I start from 0. Means nothing. I can't count any tens. I haven't tens. Okay. 53. Between two tens. What are the two tens? 50 and 60. 53 nearest to 50 or 60? Yes, 50. Another example. Number 4. Round of it. 4 nearest to between two tens. What are two tens? 0, nothing. I don't have any tens, and 1 10. Okay, 4 nearest to 0 or 10? 4, yes, 0. The last example, number 8. What is the round of 8? Round between 0 and 10. 8 nearest to 0 or 10? Yes, 10. This by mental. This by use my mind. Okay? By steps, following steps, I must write two steps. The first step, if I have example 53. The first step is look at ones or circle around ones. Okay? Then write 0 instead of ones. Okay? This is the first step. The first step, look at ones. Here, 5 or 3? 3. Circle around ones and round, write 0 and ones. Okay? The second step, ones, if the ones is from any number from 0 to 4, stay on the floor. What? Stay on the floor? Yes, 0 to 4, stay on the floor. What do they mean with stay on the floor? staying on the floor. Any number between 0 to 4 don't have power. So I can't move tens. This number can't move tens. So I write tens without changing. I write tens here without changing. Okay? Why? Because from 0 to 4 stay on the floor. Any number between 0 to 4 don't have power to change tens. So I write tens without it changing. Okay? Any number from 5 to 9, climb the vine. 5 to 9, climb the vine. Vine, tree, and monkey. Here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Climb the vine means any number between 5 to 9 has power to change tens like this. 55. Where is ones? Here 5. This circle around ones and write 0 instead of ones. Okay, 5. Number between 5 to 9, climb the vine. 5 has power to move tens into next number. 5 will be 6. Why? Because this 5 is strong. Climb the vine can move this 5 in tens in the next number. Okay? Okay. Here 53. Who can tell me what is the first step? I can't do it by mental. 53 between 50 and 60. 53 nearest to 50, so I write 50. This mentally. Okay? 53 round by steps. The first step, circle around ones. Circle around what? Ones. Excellent. I write ones without instead of 3. Instead of 3. Okay? Then look at ones. 3. What is the song? What's our song? 0 to 4, stay on the floor. 5 to 9, climb the vine. 0 to 4, stay on the floor. 5 to 9, climb the vine. Okay? This number 3, between 0 to 4 or 5 to 9? Yes, 0 to 4, stay on the floor. Don't have power. So write tens without changing. Okay? 36. What is the round of it? I can solve it by mental and by steps. What are the two tens between them? Yes, 30 and 40. 36. What is the nearest? What is the number is nearest? 30 or 40? Yes, 40. Okay. What are the steps? What are the steps? Circle around ones and write 0 in ones. Okay, look at ones. 6. What is the meaning of 6? Number. Yes. What is the song? 0 to 4, stay on the floor. 5 to 9, climb the vine. Okay. 6 from 0 to 4 or 5 to 9? Excellent. Primary 2. 6 between 5 to 9. So climb the vine. Climb the vine means have strong. Can move 3 to be 4. Excellent. Okay. Open your booklet. Page 30. Page 50. 34. The first step, circle around ones and write 0 instead of ones. Okay? 4. Strong or weak? Can't move 3. We can't move 3, so I write 3 without changing. Okay? 75. circle around ones and write 0 instead of ones. 5. Weak or strong? Yes. 5 to 9, climb the vine. 5 to 9, climb the vine. 5, climb has power to move 7 to be 8. Next number. Okay, after 7. Okay. Here 9. Here 9. Okay, 9, 0 and tens. Don't have tens. 9 ones, not tens. Means it don't have tens. Okay, 0 and ones, circle around 9 and write 0 and ones. Okay, 9. Weak or strong? Strong. Move 0 to be 1. Excellent. Here 2 ones. Don't have tens. I write 0 and ones. Okay, but 2 weak. Don't have power. So two can't move 0. So I write 0 only. Okay. Here 60, circle around ones and write 0 instead of these ones. Okay, 0, Yes, 0 to 4, stay on the floor. 5 to 9, climb the vine. Stay on the floor means I don't have power to move this number. 0, we don't have power to move 6. So write 6 without it changing. Okay, 56. Circle around 6 and write 0 in ones. 6. You are weak or power? You are weak or strong? 0 to 4, stay on the floor. 5 to 9, climb the vine. I am 6. I can climb the vine. I have power to move 5 to be 6. Excellent, primary 2. Now we will take the next part in our lesson, estimation. What? Estimation. Estimation, I can do it by 2 steps. Following the steps. Round each number. The second step, find the result. Estimation, I can do it. I can estimate number to be easy to add or subtract these numbers. Like this. Example, 56 plus 32. The first step, round it. What is the song? Circle around 6 and write 0. 0 to 4, stay on the floor. 5 to 9, climb the vine. I am 6. Between 5 to 9, I can climb the vine. I have power to move 5 to be 6. Excellent. 32, circle around ones and write 0 instead of ones. 2, I am 2. Between 0 to 4, I don't have power to move 3. So I write 3 without it changing. I write a sign. 60 plus 30, 0 plus 0 equals 0, 6 plus 3 equal 6 in my mind, 3 in my finger, after 6, 7, 8, 9. But I determine ones, tens, okay? Don't forget it. Okay, in subtraction, 52 minus 39. The first step in estimation, round each number. Round this, circle around ones and write 0 instead of it. I am 2. I between 0 to 4, stay on the floor. I don't have power to move 5, so I write 5 without changing. Here, 39. Circle around 9 and write 0 instead of 9. I am 9. Between 5 to 9, I can climb the vine. I have power to move 3 to be 4. 50 minus 40, ones, tens, 0 and ones. 5 minus 4 equal 1, ones, tens, 10. I do estimate here. We arrive the end of our lesson. We take two parts. The first part is rounding. I can do rounding by mentally and by following steps. Mentally, I see what is this number and what are two tens between this number, and see this number close to or nearest to any tens. This mentally, but following steps. By following the steps here, the first step, circle around ones, then write 0 instead of ones here. Then I see, look, the second step, look at ones. If the ones is from any number from 0 to 4, stay on the floor. Don't have power to change the tens, so I write tens without changing. 5 to 9, climb the vine, can have a power to change the tens, to move it. The next number. Estimation, two steps. The first step, round each number, and the second step, find the result. Like this, in addition problem, and subtraction problem, like this. "45, circle around 5 here. 32, circle around 2 here. 45. 5 from 5 to 9, climb the vine, have power to change. No, I can't try. I forget write 0 in ones. 5, have power to move 4 to be 5. 2, I am 2 between 0 to 4. I don't have power. I write 0 instead of me and write tens without changing. 50 plus 30 equal 80. Here in subtraction, 64. Right, I am 4. I write 0 instead of me. I don't have power to move 6, so I write 6 without changing. I am 3. I write 0 instead of me. I don't have power to move 1, so I write 1. 60 minus 10 equal 50. Okay, Primer 2. We arrive the end of our lesson. Okay, don't forget our lesson. Don't forget our song of our lesson. What is the song? 0 to 4, stay on the floor. 5 to 9, climb the vine. Okay, 0 to 4 don't have power to change tens, but 5 to 9 have power to change tens. Okay, Primer 2? Okay, bye bye.